In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 value for money European cruise lines. MSC Cruises. MSC Cruises offers a wide variety of cruise packages, with something to suit all tastes and budgets. They offer a range of itineraries and destinations, with something to suit every type of traveler. They also offer a great value for money, with excellent service, delicious food, and a variety of activities and entertainment options. Their ships are modern and spacious, and they offer a great selection of cabins and suites to choose from. Costa Cruises. Costa Cruises offers a great value for money, with a wide selection of itineraries, destinations, and activities. They also offer excellent service, delicious food, and a variety of entertainment options. Their ships are modern and comfortable, and they offer a variety of cabins and suites to choose from. Norwegian Cruise Line. Norwegian Cruise Line offers great value for money, with a wide variety of itineraries, destinations, and activities. They also provide excellent service, delicious food, and a variety of entertainment options. Their ships are modern and comfortable, and they offer a variety of cabins and suites to choose from. They also offer some fantastic onboard amenities, such as a spa and fitness center, plus complimentary Wi-Fi. For some fantastic offers on cruises or for holidays/short breaks anywhere in the world, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.